I'm going to be reviewing a beard oil I picked up about 3 months ago, and I've been using it ever since. It's a 100% natural beard oil by Isner Mile. I don't know if that's a German or Russian company, I don't know. First off, I'm just going to like the bottle. Mainly because it's got this drippy bit. It's easier to drip it into your hand and apply it, so you can apply it. It's not like one of them bottles where you just go and then you pour it a bit too much and it pisses it out, so you're just like, fuck, why am I going to do that? Because obviously you don't need that fucking giant puddle like you see in the street when it's been raining on your hand. Fuck me. You're not gonna, your beard's gonna look wank. It looks like you just fucking dumped your chin in the freaking chip power fryer if you fucking used it, obviously. But yeah, it's got all ingredients and instructions on the side of the bottle. Brown, so if you leave it in window, sun rays ain't gonna fucking harm the oil. I'm not going to read the ingredients out because, you know, I can't be bothered. It's going to be here way too long. It's a 30ml or fluid ounce bottle. So depending how long your beard is, if your beard is around about my length, so it's around about 5 inches, 6 inches, you're only going to need like use like 5, maybe 4 to 6 drops, give or take, a day. So that should last you at least 3 months, which is, well, this is pretty much, that's lasted me 3 months. There's a little bit left at the bottom, which I'll probably just have to pour out, because it's only going to be like 5 drops left in it, ish. Yeah. I bought this powder kit, so I've got the beer balm here. I'm not going to review it now, that'll be tomorrow's review. By the same company, obviously. Got brush with it, comb, beard wash. I'll be reviewing this in another video. I'm not going to do it all together because I can't be arsed. And I'm definitely not going to review scissors because you know what they're for. And then obviously, I also got the conditioner as well, which I've used, I think. But, you know. Yeah, back to liquid, blah 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 blah. What the fuck am I saying? Oil, Jesus, oil. You can get me non-scented, but I got mine scented sweet orange because obviously December's getting close to Christmas, and I like my oils being scented. Mine's lavender. Cause, why would you want that? Not saying if you like lavender scented beard oil, then that's you. I don't. But yeah. I'll show you how to do it, but it's got instructions outside of bottles somewhere. One of the sides. Where is it? Directions. Ah, there it is. I think it is. Yeah. It says it there just underneath. It's got in languages. It's got France, UK, ingredients in UK, Denmark. I don't know if that's what it is. Whatever, I don't know. But as it's 100% natural, there's no animal byproducts. So if you're into that kind of stuff, like, so then whatever, good you, good whatever. It's perfect for you if you know, just new with a beard and you're trying to find something. You've got to be freaking dry skin, freaking straw-like beard. Give it a go. I'll leave a link below with price right next to it. Blah blah blah. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with link below. I just, you know, put it down there so you can check how much it is and if you want it or not. But I do like this. And if I can remember right, they do have it in other scents as well, or unscented if that's your thing. Same with this as well, and the beard wash and face wash. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Show me you watched all the way to end. I hope you did, but you know, if you didn't, then okay, whatever. And I'll see you next one, guys, which will probably be tomorrow. Probably reviewing this. So yeah, don't miss that. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so then you can get pinged when this is up. Have fun. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye bye. And look after that beard.